In this video, I am going to show you how to download Pycharm IDE. To download Pycharm IDE, just type Pycharm IDE and press enter. Then select the first option, that is the Python IDE for Professional Developers by JetBrains. You will get an option to download. Click on download. It will direct you to another window where you can find three options: Windows, Mac and Linux. If your operating system is Windows, select Windows. If it is Mac, select Mac. If it is Linux, select Linux. Since my operating system is Windows, I am going for Windows. Below that, you can find another two options. One is Professional and one is Community. Community version is entirely free, but Professional version is paid version. You will get 30 days trial period, and after that you will have to pay for that. So, I am going for the free version, that is the Community version. Click download and our Pycharm Community version will be getting downloaded. Our Pycharm Community Edition has been successfully downloaded. To open that, double click on the downloaded file. Then next, this is the default destination folder, and if you need to change the default path, you can click on browse and select your path. I am going for default path, so I am clicking on next. Here, click on this Pycharm Community Edition so that you will get a desktop shortcut, and click on this so that bin folder will be added to path, and then click on next. If you are checking this option, that is add bin folder to path, you will have to restart your system. So I am clicking on next and click on install, and now our Pycharm is getting installed. Now click on I want to manually reboot later and click on finish. You can select this option, that is reboot now also, but I am going for manually reboot later. So after installing, just manually reboot your system. Click on finish. Now our Pycharm has been successfully installed, and in order to open Pycharm, double click on this icon. Now click on this plus button to create a new project. Here you can give your project name. For demonstration purpose, I am giving project name as demo. And here you can see a path specified for Python 3.10. This is the path where I have installed my Python 3.10. And you can only use Pycharm if you have Python installed in your system. If you have not yet installed Python, then I have already created a video demonstrating the installation of Python, and you can find it in the I button. Okay, now let's click on create to create our project. Here we can see our project folder demo, and inside this demo we can find another file, main.py. This main.py contains an example code, and we can run this code to see the output. To run a code in Pycharm, we can either use this run button or we can use this run button. If we are using this run button, click on this run button and click on the option run main. See, we got the output. And if you are using this run button, just click on this run button and you will get the output. There is one more way to run a file in Python. For that, right click on the file which you need to run and select the option run main. In this way also you can run a file in Pycharm. Now I will show you how to create a file in Pycharm. We can create a file in Pycharm using two ways. We can see it one by one. Right click on demo, click on new, and you can see there are two options. One is file and one is Python file. If you are creating file using this file option, then you will have to give .py extension along with your file name. For example, if I am creating a file named hello, then I need to give extension .py. See, Python file has been created in the name hello.py. Now let's see how to use Python file. If we are using this Python file option, then no need to give the extension. See, a Python file has been created in the name hi.py. This is how you can create files in Python.